Looking to boost your confidence and believe in yourself? Let's explore some strategies to cultivate self-confidence and radiate positivity. First, practice self-care. Take care of your physical and mental well-being. Exercise regularly, eat nutritious meals, and get enough rest. When you feel good physically, it positively impacts your confidence. Challenge negative thoughts. Recognize and challenge self-limiting beliefs. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations. Focus on your strengths and accomplishments, embracing your uniqueness. Set goals and take action. Identify what you want to achieve and break it down into actionable steps. Accomplishing goals, big or small, boosts confidence and provides a sense of accomplishment. Practice self-acceptance. Embrace your imperfections and celebrate your individuality. Recognize that nobody is perfect, and it's okay to make mistakes. Learn from them and grow stronger. Improve your skills and knowledge. Invest in learning and personal development. Acquiring new skills and knowledge enhances your confidence and opens doors to new opportunities. Step out of your comfort zone. Take on new challenges and embrace the unknown. By pushing your boundaries, you'll discover hidden strengths and realize your potential. Surround yourself with positive influences. Seek out supportive and encouraging people who believe in you. Avoid toxic relationships and surround yourself with those who uplift and inspire you. Lastly, practice confident body language. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and speak clearly. Presenting yourself confidently influences how others perceive you and boosts your self-assurance. Remember, confidence is a journey that requires practice and self-belief. By practicing self-care, challenging negative thoughts, setting goals, accepting yourself, learning new skills, embracing challenges, surrounding yourself with positivity, and adopting confident body language, you'll cultivate self-confidence and shine in every aspect of your life.